Good morning. Today we are Wednesday, 12th of February. Yesterday I wasn't able to record with my face, but I did a tape recording, so there was no commentary, nothing at all. So we've got I think it's the Fed testifying at 10. It's 9:16 right now. We're in the pre-market for 9:30. So we're gonna see. We're gonna do a little analysis, see what we can dig out. I'm going to be starting the funding account challenge next week, so I'll be more live funds. So that'll be simulate a little realer experience. So let's get started. So wow, we drew down at 8:30, really down. Back to this new week opening gap. We filled out this void right here that I wanted to see filled in. So we're now officially in a discount level. I think we filled like halfway the new week opening gap from what I can see here, just eyeballing it. Yeah, we went halfway, so it's nice. So we took out all this liquidity. Only sell side left would be over here. If we look on a larger scale, let's just look. Yeah, we're still in a premium in a larger scale. But relative to this move, we are in a discount. So we still have these relative equal lows that have not been swept. And yeah. So, okay, that's our higher time frame analysis. So what I'd like to see is sell side get swept and go higher, because we got a void here. Got a void, we're in a discount level, so I'd like to see these get swept and then head higher over here. They're minutes away. use this bearish order block here, possibly, as a breaker. Actually, it's not. I'm going to annotate my breakers a little differently. Like this. This is going to be interesting. I want to see how it's going to react because 830 just drew down, like, and created this big void. So now is it going to keep going down or is it going to, like, reprice up? Right? And so again, today's the Fed is a Fed testimony day, which is the second day. So I don't know really what to like expect. I would not be trading these days, usually, but we'll see. I'm definitely not going to be trading the 950 because that's too close to 10. But if there's an opportunity before that, why not? So let's go back to a 5 minute. Yeah, so this bearish, I don't really want to see it maybe sweep this because it hasn't. I guess there's still liquidity down here, right here, right? Actually, I really want to see. Oh no, I thought that was a wick. Okay, yeah, if that was a wick, I would have used those levels, but so here we are about consequent encroachment around here of or halfway of the new week opening gap. Once again, we are in a discount relative to this level, so I would be a buyer. We swept down low and we've got a big void over there, so I'm going to be a buyer today. That's going to be my bias, and we're going to see if the market shows me what I want to see. We're going to see what the market gives me, right? So market open. So probably the best day to trade would be Thursday, just because there's no Fed stuff. So that'll be an interesting day to see as well. So tomorrow. Market was not very reactive to the 930. I know yesterday was pretty reactive. If I can find where were we yesterday. Yeah. Down here. 930 shot up. Right, that was pretty nice. On days where there's the Fed that talks, I'd like to ideally trade like like from 7 a.m. So I'm gonna try to organize myself to be able to do that stuff. Which is way earlier, but yeah. So I guess we're just here. We've got like a 20-minute time frame to work with because there's no way I'm trading that 10 a.m. like putting a trade in at 10 a.m. I might stay till 10:20 to see what happens, but it really just gets like really volatile after that. So, yeah. In any case, I want to be a buyer today, so. Yeah, so we're not quite past halfway of the new day last, I think it was last Monday's new day opening gap that I have annotated here in gray. So I just want to see a break through that. Maybe come up here, retrace here, and go up there. We'll see. Like I said, my ideal scenario is that it comes down, takes out this sell side, and then comes back up. But again, I mean, I guess if you want to count this as a sell side, then it took it out and then came back up. So I want to see how it reacts to this breaker of the year, though. This is a nice, clean breaker here. Go above and maybe tap in here and go up. That's what I want to see. Got a nice push there. Could also use that first percent of fair value gap as an entry, which I may do if it draws back down there and it gives it to me. Matter of fact, Shift B. Oh shit. Oh shit. No. So it's not buy market though. Oh, this is buy market. I think maybe buy market if it is. Okay, good. I'm on limit. Alright. Move this. Actually, let's just do buy market, right? Let's just buy market. Again, might not afford a retracement to this breaker. Maybe another PD array forms a little higher that we can enter in, but I'm not forcing anything as of right now. I mean, there's not. Yeah, I mean, 26, 20. Yeah, this level 21.6 over here is just really like sensitive. And I'm not really worried about getting into a trade. If I miss it, like, it doesn't really matter. I'm more focused on being disciplined and not like jumping into trades. But I would expect a measure of retracement, so I think we'll get an entry. So we might be getting into a period of consolidation here. And maybe, yeah, I mean, it's just consolidating now, it seems. Trading can be really, really boring. These are not fun videos to watch. These are like, or to make, honestly, like, but this is what you gotta do to learn. Just sit through it. Watch price. I also changed my graph colors. Before I had a black background, I had green and red. But I heard that red candles kind of play on your psychology and you view it kind of as a bad thing. So I changed them to black. So I changed the background to white. So screw up anything. About 3 minutes away from the news driver. Really does suck it did not like retrace back to this breaker. It was a few pips away. Like they're like 3 pips away from this. Would have caught a nice move, but so how far did it go? Almost consequent encroachment. So this line right here was the consequent encroachment, delineating the discount level and the premium level. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So it was a really nice move to catch right there. It just doesn't really retrace into any previous levels. I mean, I guess here is a little bit of a fair value gap, but oh, 10. See if it wants to retrace back down to these levels here. Ideally back to this breaker. Got relative equal highs here. That's our buy side liquidity. Could be looking for. I have not annotated it, but you can see right here. So again, I'm still looking to be a buyer. We're still in a discount level. News hasn't really made it like very like muddy at all, honestly. Doesn't look too bad. Actually looks pretty clean. Price actually looks pretty clean. There we go. Let's get this buy back up. Come on. Please go back to my breaker. Come on. Don't edge me like that. Come on. You're a few pips away, dude. Oh my god. Dude. There's no way. No, I might just buy that fair value gap and add if it goes down to the breaker. And then again, it probably won't give me. Oh, that's so annoying. Look at it. Just shoot back up. Why don't you? Golly. Dude. All right, so you've got entry right there. Have your stop loss. Say below this. Candlestick right there. We're aiming for this over here. Right up there. You got a nice. Let's take a nice 4. Come on now. Don't do that to me. Let's open this buy up again. It's fine. It's fine. Doesn't matter. Don't matter. Come on, give it to me. You need to take a trade. Come on. Yes, there we go. All right. Stop loss. Right over here. So take profit over here. All right. We're in. If it hits that breaker, I'm adding. Let's go 1. I may be completely offsides as well, but just for the sake of it, I want to just take a trade. See how it reacts. Still have not touched that breaker. Oh, yes. Added an extra one. It did break that fair value gap, so that's not very nice, but oh shit, my stop loss is a little fuck. GG. GG. I'm gonna buy that again. I did not expect that breaker to get touched, but we have touched the breaker. So let's put our best stop loss right here. So I'm going to annotate this breaker. This bearish breaker right there. And just remove all this extra stuff. So yeah, there's a nice entry here as well. This is a nice entry. See if he wants to break through that gap. A nice push up right there. There we go, clean push. We're gonna have a nice close there. Great close. Let's see it push a little further. Let's see it keep pushing up. Just keep absolutely just shredding through those fair value gaps like it is doing right now. We're about 101 right now. So I'm gonna just actually, yeah, we're demoing. Just for the sake of this trade, I'm just gonna keep like this, but if it, we're gonna see how it closes, how this candle closes, in regards to this fair value gap that it's currently on right now. But I'm gonna take one off. Actually, I'll just take two off. Not market limit. Just like right there. Actually, right there. So I got two off. So it's secured partial of the trade. We still got one going. And I'm gonna break even here. So we still got one contract up here. So that was pretty clean. Pretty clean. Pretty clean. No, I just okay, I don't know what that is. I'm not even gonna there. So we got a nice little push. You could probably close a little higher, but for sake of it, just close it there. Took two, keep one. So again, right after this Fed, we don't really, like the Fed testimony, we don't really know what can happen. But and here maybe this is a retracement to go lower. So we're just securing our position, securing our trade. So today we're in green, like you can see right here. We lost a little bit, but we made it all up right here. So that's nice. But yeah, I mean, it's just, I was just, once again, it's just a little impatience. Like that breaker's the level, the nice level. And I was just too impatient. I just tried to go in here and I got stopped out. So again, just got to be patient. Got to be patient. So yeah, unnecessary loss here. We are pushing up even more. See if we can grab that liquidity, or yeah, well, the liquidity over here, and grab this, take profit right there. Oh, never mind. Don't even need to change it. Order filled right here. Easy little 4-to-1 risk ratio, risk reward ratio. It's a solid trade. Once again, really impatient here. Made up for it, but it just shows like we've had already a trade. I think it was last week. I was a little impatient too, and we were still great after that day. But it's just wait for your setup. Wait for your setup. Don't force it. And look, this is a perfect setup. See, the breaker gets touched here, barely touches it, and shoots back up, and that's what you want to see, right? That was a good trade. So yeah, I'm pretty content for today. This was a Fed day, so that's pretty good. Like, as you can see, like, it wasn't like all jagged. This is clean price action. So I guess there's possible you can trade these days. You can trade these days if you like. If it's not like the 10 a.m. is not going like that, it's just jagged. If it's like a solid price movement like this is good. Like, this is clean as hell. Clean. So yeah, so that's it for today. So I'm gonna wrap it up here. It's 10:22. So we got one loss, one win. We are very much in green. And yeah, those are my 2 trades. So I'll be doing it tomorrow as well. So Thursday. And yeah, so thank you for watching, and have a great day.